Okay.
Ah! You didn't like that, did you? No. No more Celeste.
What on earth are you doing?
Yes, Beelzebub, shut the fuck up. What are you thinking? My new hairstyle. You like? I glue it out. Stop being like a bumhole, that's it. Right. Okay. Beelzebub, stop being a bumhole and I'll see you later. Capiche? Capiche? Good. Bye. Idiot. Put some booze when you need some. And that human girl, Jane. She was fun. We stopped the second apocalypse together. Oh, but it's been 3 months already. No more celestial harmonies. Quite bored if you ask me. Right, I've got work to do. Still got souls to torture. Do you know Beelzebub told me that you are a very, very naughty boy? Since we haven't got sides anymore, I'm at your work together now. I'm got the honor of cutting you up. How fun is that? Because, to be honest, I think it's very fun. Yeah. Have fun in hell, what? Dipshit, I never knew what was coming from him. What? As seriously, I told you to call us a line following emergencies. Is this an emergency or do you want to have sex with me? If it's an me, I'll definitely class it as an emergency. You what? So you're saying Lucifer's escaped? But we burned that shit at like 6 months ago. Fine, I'll see what I can do. See you later. I know I'm not trying to my ass off, you know. How the hell did Satan escape? Well, God on the ground. Oh. Oopsie. That's my bad. Really my bad. Where's the kids? Did I fall asleep? Must have been too much alcohol again. There's too much alcohol. Well, I think that's done and done with, don't you? Good. Good. Well, I can't. I better get a move on then.
Who shot me?
A person called Satan. That's an evil. So, and then I dragged you out and into here.
Still saying.